Hey Shaklee family, this video is especially for you. We've got a lot of travel coming up and I have a tip that has really helped me and I wanted to share that with you today. So we've got some really great options already. It's like for our beauty care, for example, already has a convenient container that we can put everything in. It fits perfectly, zip it up, ready to go. Or how about our nutritional products? Some things are just made for packing with us as we go. Like for example, this organic greens booster, already the ideal travel size, and it's absolutely something that you want to take with you because you're definitely not going to be packing your suitcase full of lettuce and kale. That really helps out. How about the cleaning products? Many times we are going to hotels and resorts and they may have additional amenities. For example, your own kitchenette or even your own wash machine. I've been in both type of places. And I want to bring my own cleaning supplies, even if it doesn't have any of that. There are two that I definitely want to bring with me. The basic H and the basic G. Those I like to have with me at all times. And if you're like me and you're sensitive to chemicals and fragrances and you get really irritated when a cleaning product doesn't work, you're going to desperately want to bring your Shaklee supplies with you. But packing space can be at a premium. So how do we take the best advantage of that? Well, this is what I have decided to do. I decided to condense these 4 items down as much as I can. So what I did for that is with a basic H, this can be adding a lot of weight to your pack that is unnecessary. Just empty it out into another container and put in the amount of basic H that you're going to take with you, the 1/4 teaspoon, and don't fill it up with water. Then very gently wrap some clothing around this. It's not going to leak now in your suitcase, and fill it up with water when you arrive and it's ready to go. But how about these other items? We're really adding up the space that we're taking up and the risk of something leaking into our luggage. This is a 3-pack for our best water filter, and you can see the picture right back there. If you haven't used this, oh my goodness. It's certified to remove lead. Your water tastes amazing, and it removes a lot more than the leading brands out there. The comparison, there is no comparison. I just love, love, love this thing. So I buy the filter packs in 3 because that seems the most economical way to do it.
We're going to consolidate all these 4 bottles into a package that's very tiny and easy and convenient. Now here is the one that I use. I've labeled it so we know exactly what's inside. I've covered it on the outside with clear packing tape, and on the inside I have a baggie where I keep everything. It still has been used many times and it has had a little bit of water damage despite that, so I'm going to do a better job taping my next one. But this is well used and well loved, and let me show you what's inside. Okay, I'm going to get these containers into that box now. I hope you've seen this before. This is the little Get Clean container that you can get. And it comes with a pre-treating tip for our laundry detergent. So you just put the laundry detergent in there, invert it, and you've got a pre-treating tip that works great. However, there's a chance that this might leak in there, especially since it already has laundry soap on it. So I'm gonna take that off. And this is the other lid that this container comes with. Now, certainly, if you're using the powdered laundry detergent, you can just put a couple scoops of that into a baggie and call it good. But I like the liquid, so I wanted to show you the liquid option in case that's your choice as well. Now, again, we're going to go with another container that you can get from Shaklee, and another tip. This is for my basic G, and I have it labeled there. And I just like having it in this convenient tip. I don't have any problems with it leaking. So that is for my basic G. And then we have another container, again, for our dish hand soap, to keep that in there as well. Another little bonus that I like to take with me that I got from my upline quite a long time ago is the original basic H. And I just slip this in with everything else so it's all together. What we use this for are any bug bites or rashes that we may get on our trip. All right, now I'm going to fit all these containers into a Ziploc baggie. And as you can see, they all fit in there. So they're all in there, and I can close this up. And I am packed, ready to go with all my cleaning supplies tucked nice and neatly, ready to go on my trip.
So thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate it. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe. This is the Health of Beauty channel, and I've got a lot more exciting videos that I've already done and that are coming up. So I'll see you again later. Have a beautiful week.